Even the smallest email marketing mistake can cost you subscribers and revenue. So up your email marketing game by making sure you're not committing these common yet easily avoidable mistakes. Here's how. First up, we've got the classic mistake of being a self-absorbed email sender. If you're sending out newsletters that ramble on about you or your company, your subscribers will probably tune out. What readers are looking for is helpful material that adds value, such as tips, guides, and how-tos. So keep your newsletter snappy and focused. We have a handy guide on exactly how to do that in our description below. The next big mistake is email overload. Your subscribers don't want their inboxes flooded with irrelevant messages. So set up a preference center to ask what content your subscribers want to receive and how often they want to receive it. Most of all, be mindful of your frequency and make sure that each email serves a specific purpose. Here's one mistake that might surprise you. Although automations can make your life easier, they can also lead to unexpected mishaps, especially if you've just recently migrated to a new platform. Imagine sending a welcome email to subscribers who signed up years ago. Believe it or not, it has happened to us. So make sure to keep a close eye on your automations and pause whenever you're making major changes. Test out your workflows and check that they don't overlap or repeat. Another mistake, neglecting your sender email address. Nothing says "don't take me seriously" like an @hotmail.com email address in 2024. In fact, mailbox providers like Gmail and Yahoo are less likely to let your emails through if they don't come from a professional domain. So use your own domain in your sending email address. And while we're on that topic, don't make the mistake of overlooking email authentication. Setting up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentication will help boost the chances of your emails landing in inboxes. And don't worry if you're not familiar with this, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We've included a link to our full authentication guide in the description below. Lastly, error-filled newsletters are way too common in email marketing. We've all received emails addressed to dear first last name or missing images. It's not a good look. So send yourself a test email first and have an extra pair of eyes take a look to help avoid making yourself look like an email marketing rookie. Want to learn more about how to get email marketing right? You can do that by subscribing to our channel or checking out emailtooltester.com. Thanks for watching.